All right, guys, here we're using the angle bisector theorem, and it tells us that if we bisect this angle on a triangle, then we've created two similar triangles. Now, I noticed that 14 is half of 28. So I assume that x is going to be half of 25. Well, half of 25 is 12.5. But I'm going to go ahead and set it up as a proportion for those of you who prefer that method, and also just to check my answer. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up my ratios, and I'm going to say 28 over 14, because that's on the left triangle, equals, and I'm going over here to the right triangle now, and I'm going to say 25 over x. All right, what do I do next? Oh yeah, if you said cross multiply, you are exactly right. I'm going to cross multiply. So I'm going to say that 28x, excuse me, equals 14 times 25. And I'm going to go ahead and break out my calculator to make sure I get this right. So I'm going to put in my calculator 14 times 25. And I get 350. Now to get x by himself, remember I want to divide both sides by 28 because I want to get rid of the 28 over here. If I do it to one side, I have to do it to the other side to keep it balanced. So I'm going to do 350 divided by 28, and I get 12.5. So we were exactly right in our estimate early on. All right, I hope that helps.